Hi, how are you today? Welcome to our YouTube channel, GIJO Gadgets. Okay, today I'll be unboxing a box. Okay, so let me show you my table. Uh, yeah. Okay, so this is actually a FPV racing starter kit. Okay, so before I begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell for future video. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so this is actually a beta FPV racing starter kit. Okay, I got it from a friend who received as a present. So he passed it to me and asked me to do a video for review. Okay, so this is the box, beta FPV, and it's totally new. Okay, totally new, nice packing, beta FPV. Okay, so I'll change the screen first so you can see more clearly. Okay, there you are. All right. Okay, so I'll be unbox it. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay, can be the back. Ah. Okay. Oh, my microphone. Sorry. Okay, there you are. With the logo Beta FPV. Nice canvas back. With a handle. Okay. Nice looking back. Okay, so we just see what's inside. Okay, wow. Okay, so wait, my microphone not steady. Okay, what we have here. Okay, now this is the start with the goggle. So it's white. Wow, beta FPV. Okay. Okay, just to show you what's happened to my finger. Okay, it's actually ink dip. As this morning we had this Sabah election 2020. Oh, okay, to choose our chief minister in Malaysia, in Sabah, Malaysia. Okay, so just ignore my finger, right? Okay, so this is the FPV goggle, and this is the strap. Okay, and here you are. This is the mini quad. Sorry, it's 65 mm size. Okay, with FPV camera. Looks cute, blue white. Okay, beta FPV, and this is the transmitter that came together. Whoa, of channel with 8 channel. Okay, set up and bind, and this is a matte. Come with a matte finish, and this is the battery compartment. Okay, so this is the battery compartment. Okay, wow, looks good, and you can use the USB charging here, right? So this is what. Okay, on top of that, what we have here is the strap here. Okay, never mind. It's a pack of goodies. Okay, and also you can have the QR code for the manual and also the Facebook page. Okay, from Beta FPV. And then this is the manual in Chinese. Okay, and there's a manual starter kit in English, finally. See? Okay, so it's printed very clear. Okay, so case. So let's see inside. This is a net bag. Okay, this is the extra propeller. Should be 31 mm. See? Okay. This is a 2S battery with 350 mAh, one piece, and also 2 pieces of Beta FPV 300 mAh. This is a 1S battery. It's a LIHV battery, and this is a charger. Okay, USB dongle charger. This is 1S battery charger. You can charge both at one time. There's a tester also. So let's try. There you are. It shows you right away. Okay, the voltage right away. Okay, it's good. So you can charge 2 battery at once. This is the USB cable, either for charge the goggle or the remote, and also for connectivity of the quad, and 2 antenna for the goggle, FPV goggle. Okay, white. And this is a prop range for you to take off your propeller easily. Okay. So just want to test out the goggle. Let's try power on. Okay. See that? Very clear. Okay. So let's try power up the quad with 1S battery, just to check out the FPV. Okay, so there you are. So this Beta FPV using silverware, what do you call this? Firmware. Okay, firmware. So you can see, okay. So see that? This is the quad. Okay, and I'm showing the video on the goggle. Okay, so okay, very clear. Okay, very clear. See? Oops, sorry. Okay, so it's very clear. Okay, looks good. Okay, now let's see the quad. So I use brushless. It's a brush motor. Okay, it's a brush motor. Very nice. Let's see the starter kit. This should have been already bind, I guess. Okay, so let me get the battery and try power up the remote transmitter. Okay, so this is the 2S battery for the remote. Okay, so and then we can try FPV if already binded. Okay. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be like this. Okay. So let's try power on. Yeah. Okay. With the green LED. Now there's blue. So let's try power up the quad again. Okay, it's already power up, and there's the FPV screen also. Alright. I'm not sure. There you are. Ready bind. So this is the arm. Okay. Arm. Right. So I guess we can try and fly. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So let's look on the switch. Okay. Switch C. Okay. I'll try and fly. Whoa. Must be fun. Okay. I think we have to charge the battery first, since it is just out from the box. So later, once fully charged, we'll try to do a testing on the flight. Okay. Okay, welcome back. So here already fully charged. This 1S battery. Okay, as you can see, there's a 4.2 volt here. Okay, so I'll use this to power up the quad, and we try to just a simple test of flight. Okay, all right. What was that already? Okay, all right. So we power up the remote transmitter. Okay, and also power up the FPV goggle. Okay, and now we power up the quad. All right, and we try to fly. Oops, sorry. Okay, there you are. So it is connected. Okay, and also, by the way, this FPV goggle, you can put a SD card for recording as well. Okay, to record your footage. So this is using a Silverware Bayang protocol. Right. So let's try to arm. Okay. See that? Okay. So we just try to fly. Okay. Here we go. Before that, just to change the view of the camera so you can see more clearer. There you are. Okay. Okay. So there you are. Very favorable. Okay, landing. Okay. So this is it. Very small, tiny. We call it Tinywhoop. Okay. So yeah, I think that's about it. So hope you enjoy this video. It's a simple one. Okay, so thank you for watching.